This is a 2004 Acura RSX. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Features include a power glass sunroof, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, 4-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 37,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 34 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle pays off in the long run. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Stanford Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 212 McGee Avenue in Stamford.